Hello, everyone. How are you today? I'm doing very well. Thank you for asking. And I'm very happy to be with you again today as we learn English together. Today, we're going to start on Unit 3, and it starts on page 18. And today, we're going to read together some newspaper articles, some articles from the newspaper, so stories in a newspaper. We're going to read them together, we're going to listen together, and we're going to talk about the past tense, okay? The title of Unit 3 is, It All Went Wrong. So some things that were supposed to be done well, they were all done terribly. Everything went wrong, right? Sometimes that happens in life, right? It happens many times in life. 뭘 좀 잘하려고 했는데 I was trying to do something well, but then there are many mistakes and things just don't turn out very well. Okay, so it all went wrong. And while we read and study these newspaper articles, we will study the past tense, the simple past tense, right? And the past continuous, something that was happening when something else happened. Ooh, okay, let's go right into it, and I think it'll make more sense as we study together. Let's look at page 18, and we see a newspaper article, a picture of a very cute boy with big eyes. I have big eyes. See, very big eyes. Picture with a boy with big eyes, and 저도 이제 계속 이렇게 방송을 해야 될 것 같아요 because of the big eye thing, okay? And he, 좀 멋있어요, 그쵸? He's looking like this with big eyes. And his name is Russell. If you look at the little caption on the bottom, it says, Russell 4 made thieves feel at home. 이 feel at home 우리 여러 번 얘기를 했죠? Right? Thieves, robbers, burglars. Burglars are people who come to your house and they steal everything. They take everything. They don't borrow. They steal. Okay, they steal everything from your house. And the title of this article says, The Burglar's Friend. The Burglar's Friend. I wonder what this is about. Well, let's read the article together. It was 3 o'clock in the morning. In the morning means 새벽, right? In the morning. 3 o'clock in the morning when 4-year-old Russell Brown woke up to go to the bathroom. 여기서는 왜 4 years old라고 그러지 않죠? How come it says 4-year-old and not 4 years old? Because 이 4-year-old가 묶여서 형용사가 되니까 s가 안 붙어요. Okay? You don't say a 4 years old boy, you say a 4-year-old boy. Here, when 4-year-old Russell Brown woke up to go to the bathroom, okay? He was sleeping, and then, I have to go to the bathroom. So he wakes up, okay? It's about 3 o'clock in the morning. He wakes up, and he's going to the bathroom. I'm going to the bathroom. His parents were fast asleep. Fast asleep means deep sleep, right? They were really asleep. I mean, really deep sleep. They're not going to wake up. His parents were fast asleep in bed. But when he heard a noise in the living room and saw a light was on, he went downstairs. So he's upstairs in his room. He wakes up. I have to go to the bathroom. And he's going to the bathroom, but he sees downstairs the light is on. So he goes, let me go downstairs. And he went downstairs. There he found 2 men. They asked him his name and told him they were friends of the family. Very strange. There are 2 men downstairs. Russell goes downstairs, and the 2 men say, Hello, what's your name? Russell. Hi, Russell. We are friends of your parents. I am your father's friend. We are your mother's friend. That's what they said. Okay. Unfortunately, Russell believed them. So Russell said, "Oh, okay, hi, Mr. Friend." They asked him where the VCR and TV were. Okay, VCR is video cassette recorder, right? VCR. Where's your VCR and where's your TV? Russell showed them. Russell said, "Oh, come here. I'll show you. It's here." Oh, boy. And said they had a stereo and CD player, too. Okay. "Hi, Russell. Where's your VCR? And where is your TV?" "Oh, it's over here. And also, we have a stereo and a CD player." The two men carried these to the kitchen. Russell also told them that his mother kept her wallet in a drawer in the kitchen, so they took that. Russell said, "Oh, and my mommy, she has her wallet in the kitchen drawer. Open it. Here it is." So they took that. Russell even gave them his pocket money, 50 cents. Okay, pocket money is money that he has to spend. 용돈이라고 그럴까요? Pocket money, spending money, or allowance, ALLOWANCE. They all mean similar things, okay? 비슷비슷한 말이죠. And so he gives them 50 cents. "Here you go." They finally left at 4 a.m. They said, "Will you open the back door while we take these things to the car? Because we don't want to wake mommy and daddy." Okay? 엄마 아빠 깨시면 안 되니까 문 좀 열어주라고. To the back door of the house. 문 열어주면 they will take these things to their car. Wow. So Russell held the door open for them. He then went back to bed. 애가 너무 착해요, right? He's a little bit too nice, and he's too helpful. And so he helps these burglars steal all of their things. His parents didn't know about the burglary until they got up the next day. 그 다음날 아침에 부모님이 일어나고 나서, "Hey, where's our TV? Where's our VCR?" And the mom, "Where's my wallet?" It was all gone. Okay? His parents didn't know about the burglary until they got up the next day. His father said, "I couldn't be angry with Russell because he thought he was doing the right thing." How can you be angry with a child who is being helpful, who is trying to do the right thing? That doesn't make sense. Fortunately, the police caught the two burglars last week. Okay, so last week, the police caught these two burglars. So, although in the beginning it's a sad story, maybe even a dangerous story, in the end, fortunately, the police caught these two burglars. Okay. When we look at this story, when we read this story together, we see that almost everything is in the past tense, the simple past tense, okay? This happened, and then this happened, and then this happened, okay? Simple past tense. Let's think about this. Let's try to remember what kind of words we read together as we listen to this tape script, okay? We're going to listen to this newspaper article together. Try to hear all the words in the past tense, okay? Listen carefully.
The burglar's friend. It was 3 o'clock in the morning when 4-year-old Russell Brown woke up to go to the bathroom. His parents were fast asleep in bed. But when he heard a noise in the living room and saw a light was on, he went downstairs. There he found two men. They asked him his name and told him they were friends of the family. Unfortunately, Russell believed them. They asked him where the VCR and TV were. Russell showed them and said they had a stereo and CD player too. The two men carried these to the kitchen. Russell also told them that his mother kept her wallet in a drawer in the kitchen, so they took that. Russell even gave them his pocket money, 50 cents. They finally left at 4 a.m. They said, "Will you open the back door while we take these things to the car? Because we don't want to wake Mommy and Daddy, okay?" So Russell held the door open for them. He then went back to bed. His parents didn't know about the burglary until they got up the next day. His father said, "I couldn't be angry with Russell because he thought he was doing the right thing." Fortunately, the police caught the 2 burglars last week.
Okay, and so we see that in this article, in this newspaper article, almost everything is done in the past tense. Okay, did you listen well to what do you know what this article is about? Do you know all of your facts? We are going to check it now. Okay, 우리가 지금 이 내용을 잘 이해를 했는지 we're going to talk about the details right now, and we're going to check our knowledge of this article. Okay, so if you look at page 19, look at section 3. Page 19, section 3를 보면요, you will hear some sentences about the story. Correct the mistakes. Okay, 틀린 sentences를 we're going to listen to it, and then we're going to correct it. Okay, for example, it says Russell woke up at 2 o'clock. 근데 그게 아니죠. Russell did not wake up at 2 o'clock. So, 이렇게 얘기를 할까요? 먼저, 그건 틀렸다. 이게 아니다. 라고 하고, and then after that, we're going to say the correct sentence. For example, he didn't wake up at 2. He woke up at 3. Okay? 이렇게 얘기를 해야 되죠. So, let's try this. Number 1부터, Russell woke up at 2 o'clock부터, we're going to go one by one and we're going to correct the wrong sentences, okay? So, let's listen to the first sentence.
Russell woke up at 2 o'clock.
Okay. Russell woke up at 2 o'clock. We say, he didn't wake up at 2 o'clock. He woke up at 3. Okay, easy because it's in the book. Let's try number 2. Listen.
He woke up because he was thirsty.
He woke up because he was thirsty? No, right? So we say he didn't wake up because he was thirsty. He woke up to go to the bathroom, right? Because he had to pee. He had to go to the bathroom. Okay, let's listen to the third one.
He heard a noise in the kitchen.
Okay. He heard a noise. 그런데 kitchen은 아니었어요, right? He heard a noise. Okay. 틀렸다. He didn't hear a noise in the kitchen. He heard a noise in the living room이라고 해야 되죠. Okay. Number 4.
He found 3 men.
Okay. 아니다. 어떻게 해야 되죠? He didn't find 3 men. He found 뭐예요? 2 men. Okay, very good. Next.
Russell's mother kept her wallet in her bedroom.
Russell's mother 안 했다. Didn't 그 다음에 keep her wallet in her bedroom이라고 해야 되죠. She kept her wallet in the kitchen이라고 이렇게 해야 돼요. So, 우리가 이렇게 하면서 잘 보니까 not라는 did not라고 하면 그 verb에다가 ed를 붙이면 안 돼요. 왜냐면 did not에 벌써 과거가 들어가 있으니까. Right? So, let's listen to number 6.
They left at 5 o'clock.
They left at 5 o'clock. 아니죠. So, we say they didn't leave at 5 o'clock. 그럼 몇 시예요? They left at 4 o'clock. 이렇게 얘기를 해야 되죠. Okay, next.
When they left, Russell watched TV.
Ooh, no. 근데 그럴만하죠. 이제 갔으니까 새벽 4시인데 TV나 볼까? 근데 no, he did not watch TV. He's only 4 years old. So we say, when they left, Russell didn't watch TV. What did he do? He went back to bed. Okay, 다시 자러 갔어요. He went back to bed. And the last one.
The police caught the burglars yesterday.
Okay. 잡긴 잡았는데 yesterday는 아니었어요. So the police didn't catch the burglars yesterday. They caught them last week라고 이렇게 얘기를 해야 되죠. Okay? So the simple past tense is simple. Okay, 쉽죠? Past tense, simple past tense는 쉬워요. 그리고 안 했다, 아니었다 그러면 did not, and then we use the verb. That's fairly easy. But what about the past continuous? That's what we're going to do next. Everybody turn the page to page, turn the page to page 20. Okay. More newspaper stories, and this time we're going to do the past continuous. Okay? The past continuous is when we put ourselves in the past, something that was happening at that time, then we use the past continuous. Okay? Let's read the newspaper article together and figure out how to use the past continuous. Okay? Here we have, hands up, I've got a burger. Hands up. I've got a gun도 아니고, I've got a knife도 아니고, I've got a burger. Let's see what this is all about. Okay. Last Tuesday, a man armed with just a hot hamburger in a bag. He was armed with, he had a weapon, and the weapon was a hot hamburger in a bag. Okay, he stole $1,000 from a bank in Danville, California. It's a little embarrassing, isn't it? He had a hamburger, and he was able to steal $1,000. Police Detective Bill McGinnis said that the robber, and then there's a blank, right? Number one, there's a blank. 우리 section 2에 보면은 match each phrase to an article. Where exactly does each phrase go? 여기서 한번 보세요. Let's look at which phrase goes in there. Police Detective Bill McGinnis said that the robber entered the Mount Diablo National Bank. 그러니까 이 도둑이, this robber, he went in, but what? The robber, what? Because she was studying, she 아니죠. He running out of the bank도 아니고요. Let's look at the last one. Who was wearing a mask? Okay, this robber who was wearing a mask, dun, 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 put on a mask, and then he entered the Mount Diablo National Bank at about 1:30 p.m. and gave the teller a note demanding $1,000. So he's wearing a mask. He goes inside the bank and he gives a note to the teller. Okay, the person who, the employee, the person who works at the bank, gives the teller a note, and it says, "Give me $1,000." Okay. He claimed that he had a bomb in a bag. Okay, in the bag. He was carrying a bag, and in the bag, he claimed, "I have a bomb in this bag. It's a bomb. It's going to explode." The teller said she could smell a distinct odor of hamburger coming from the bag. The teller said, "I smell a hamburger." In the bag, she smelled a hamburger. Even so, she handed the money to the man. Why? Because she has to be safe, right? 나중에 후회하는 것보다 지금 안전하게 행동하는 게 낫다. It's better to be safe than sorry, right? What if there really is a bomb in the bag? 정말 폭탄이 있으면 큰일 나죠, right? So, it's better to be safe than sorry. So she says, well, I'll give you the money. And she gives him the money. She handed the money to the man. 그 다음에 it's blank. He dropped the bag with the hamburger. bag을 놓고 what? Number 2 is as he was running out of the bank가 맞죠? Right? As he's running out of the bank, he drops the bag and he ran out of the bank. Okay? As he was running out of the bank, He dropped the bag with the hamburger. He escaped in a car. 뭐요? He escaped in a car. 그 다음에 뭐가 맞죠? That was waiting for him outside. He escaped in a car that was waiting for him outside. So he goes out there to the bank. He goes into the bank wearing a mask, has a note that says, "Give me $1,000. There's a bomb in the bag." There's a bomb in the... 여러분 스피드 보셨어요? 키아누 리브스. 잘생기긴 잘생겼는데 연기는 좀 별론 것 같아요. 스피드. There's a bomb on the bus. There's a Okay. Anyway, there's a bomb in the bag. 그리고 he takes $1,000 and then he escapes. But in the bag was just a hamburger. Okay. 여기에는 past continuous가 나오죠. Was wearing a mask. 그 다음에 running out of the bank. ing가 waiting for him. ing가죠. 과거인데 ing가 붙어 있으니까 it is the past continuous. Something that was happening at the time. Let's think about this and let's listen to this newspaper article together. Listen carefully.
Hands up. I've got a burger.
Last Tuesday, a man armed with just a hot hamburger in a bag stole $1,000 from a bank in Danville, California. Police Detective Bill McGinnis said that the robber, who was wearing a mask, entered the Mount Diablo National Bank at about 1:30 p.m. and gave the teller a note demanding $1,000. He claimed that he had a bomb in the bag. The teller said she could smell a distinct odor of hamburger coming from the bag. Even so, she handed the money to the man. As he was running out of the bank, he dropped the bag with the hamburger. He escaped in a car that was waiting for him outside.
Okay, very good. Now we have the next newspaper article, but before we do the next newspaper article, let's look at the grammar spot together, okay? Grammar spot on page 20. Number 1, it says, the verb forms in exercise 2 are in the past continuous. 얘기했죠? section 2에 보면은 다 past continuous로 돼 있어요. Complete the forms of the past continuous. 그 밑에 나오는 past continuous, let's look at the forms. The first one is I was studying, right? Then what about you? What do you say? You wasn't 아니죠? You were studying. 그 다음에 she was studying. And then we were waiting. They were waiting. Very good. Okay. This is important because if you just use the past, simple past tense, then the meaning becomes different. Okay. When we use a simple past tense and then the past continuous, the meanings are different. Let's look at number 2. Look at these sentences. What's the difference between them? Watch. When we arrived, she made some coffee. What does it mean? 우리가 도착했을 때 그녀가 커피를 만들었다. Right? 그러니까 우리가 도착을 했으니까 아니면 했을 때 그때부터 커피를 만들기 시작했고 그때 만들었다. That's what it means, right? But when we look at the next sentence, when we arrived, she was making some coffee. That means 우리가 도착했을 때 그 사람은 커피를 벌써 만들고 있는 중이었다. Right? So she was doing something before we arrived and it continued. Continued. Past continuous. Okay? 의미가 다르죠? Right? In the first sentence, 우리가 도착했으니까 커피를 만들기 시작했을 수도 있고요. Right? 아니면 우리가 도착한 다음에 이제 그때 시작했는데 second one은 내가 도착하는 거에 상관없이 이미 커피를 만들고 있었다라는 그런 뜻이죠. Okay? When we do a little bit of the practice exercises later, we will see a big difference. Okay? 뭐 별 차이 안 나는 것 같은데요. 근데 practice exercise에 보면은 정말 there is a huge difference. Okay? But before we do that, let's look at the second newspaper article. Teenage party ends in tears. 보통 그런 경우가 많죠. 10대 아이들이 파티를 하면 결과가 좀... Let's look. When Jack and Kelly Harmon went away on vacation, they left their teenage daughter alone in the house. 부모님은 베이케이션으로 떠나고 10대 그 딸을 그냥 집에 혼자 두고 갔대요. Sue, aged 16, wanted to stay at home. She wanted to stay at home. 그 다음에 뭐 이유가 있겠죠? 집에 있고 싶었다. Because 뭐예요? 뭘 써야 되죠? Because she was studying for a test. Okay. 이럴 때 영어로 하는 말이 있어요. Sure. Okay, 그게 뭐냐면요. Sure는 뭐 확실하다는 뜻인데 이런 식으로 sure 이렇게 하면 it means 에이 뭐 그래 에이 아니지 오 그게 sure이라고요. 무슨 공부한다고 집에 있대 말도 안 돼. 아유, 에이 떼기. Okay. So she wanted to stay at home because she was studying for the test. 아니죠. Her parents도 부모님도 좀 실수를 했어요. Her parents said she could have some friends stay over. 친구 몇 명 같이 공부해도 돼. Sure. Okay. However, she decided to have a party. 그 다음에 5번 뭘 넣어야 되는데 Things started to go wrong. 문제가 생겼다. Things started to go wrong. 그럼 앞부분은 뭐가 있어야 되죠? Everyone was having a good time when suddenly. Everyone was having a good time. 다 좋은, 즐겁게 즐기고 있었다. Everyone was having a good time when things started to go wrong. 40 uninvited guests arrived. 초대도 받지 않은 40명의 사람들이 와서 그리고 and some of them were carrying knives를 6번에 넣어야 되겠죠. And some of them were carrying knives. They broke furniture, smashed windows, and stole jewelry. When Mr. and Mrs. Harmon heard the news, they came home immediately. Okay. 여기서 우리가 배워야 될 게 있어요. 뭐 문법도 중요하지만 10대 아이를 집에 절대로 혼자 놔두면 안 되고 친구들 불러도 돼. It's not a smart thing to do. Okay? So here we see again some past continuous things happening, right? Because she was studying for a test. Everyone was having a good time. Some of them were carrying knives. Okay? Think about these things as we listen to this newspaper article together.
Teenage party ends in tears.
When Jack and Kelly Harmon went away on vacation, they left their teenage daughter alone in the house. Sue, aged 16, wanted to stay at home because she was studying for a test. Her parents said she could have some friends stay over. However, Sue decided to have a party. Everyone was having a good time when suddenly things started to go wrong. 40 uninvited guests arrived, and some of them were carrying knives. They broke furniture, smashed windows, and stole jewelry. When Mr. and Mrs. Harmon heard the news, they came home immediately.
Okay, so now we did the past tense and we did the past continuous. 이걸 우리가 이제 적용을 해야 되죠. Let's practice how to use these two forms, okay? Everybody turn to page 21. Practice discussing grammar. Okay, let's look at section 1. It says, choose the correct verb form. Okay, number 1은 벌써 했어요. I saw a very good program on TV last night. It's simple past tense. 왜냐면 어제 그냥 그것만 봤다. Simple, easy, right? Let's look at 2. While I 쇼핑에 대해서 얘기를 한 다음에 this morning I 지갑을 잃어버렸다라는 내용이죠. I don't know how. 어떻게 잃어버렸는지 모르겠다. 여기서는 지갑을 잊어버리면서 쇼핑을 했다가 아니죠. Right? 쇼핑을 하고 있었는데 지갑을 잃어버렸다. So we say, while I 쇼핑을 할 때 was shopping this morning, I lost my wallet. 이런 식으로 해야 되죠. Okay? Do you understand? 아까 제가 그랬어요. I said that 이 뜻이 달라진다고요. Everybody look at number 6. Okay. Number 6 보세요. When I 뭐뭐뭐 at the party 그럼 뭐 party 도착하다라는 그런 뜻이죠. Everyone had or was having a good time. 사람들이 즐기고 재밌게 놀았다라는 뜻인데요. 이걸 depending on what form we use 뜻이 달라져요. 보세요. 여기선 이렇게 할 수 있어요. When I arrived at the party, everyone was having a good time. 이게 맞는 말 같죠? 내가 파티에 도착했는데 사람들이 재밌게 놀고 있었다. 맞네. When I arrived at the party, everyone was having a good time. 그러면 맞는데 이렇게 해보면 어떨까요? When I arrived at the party, everyone had a good time. 이게 무슨 말이죠? 내가 파티에 도착했으니까 그때 사람들이 재밌게 놀았다. 나 없었을 때는 재미없었다라는 이런 말이 되잖아요. So the meaning changes a little bit, right? 근데 여기서는 더 자연스러운 건 the more natural way of speaking is when I arrived at the party, everyone was having a good time 이라고 이렇게 하면 돼요. Okay, past tense and then past continuous. We learned it today through newspaper articles. I hope you had a good time and I hope you practice. And until the next lecture, everybody, have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.